Hello, friend. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, what's your good name?
My name is Suryabadur Gorti, sir.
Okay, Mr. Surya Bahadur. Give me your introduction, please.
Thank you, sir. My name is Suryabadur Gorti. I'm from Gulmi. I'm 24 years old.
Okay, are you single or married?
I'm still single.
Okay, how many members in your family?
Uh, 4 members of my family.
Okay, what's your education qualification?
I'm 10 class pass.
Okay, why do you want to go to any Europe country?
To earn money and support my family for better jobs.
Okay, do you have any other friends or relatives work in any Europe country?
No, sir.
Okay, do you smoke or drink?
No, sir.
Okay, do you have any medical problem?
No.
Okay, are you ready for doing unskilled jobs in Europe like factory worker, warehouse worker, web serving, city cleaning, or other indoor or outdoor works? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any experience before?
Yes.
Okay, for
Sir.
which work you have experience?
I'm 2 years old experience of whereas for Nepal.
Okay, you have 2 year work experience as a warehouse worker in Nepal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you medically fit and fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, show me your both hands, please. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.